You know who it is, everybody. I'm back once again with another hair tutorial. Today I'm showing you how I achieve these seamless crochet boho braids in no time at all.
Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. You know like me.
For the style, I'm using crochet boho braids from Eayon hair. You can find a link for these in the description box below. This hair is 18 inches and these curls are 100% human hair. So here's my braid pattern. As you can see in the front, I have braids that I'm just pulling back into each other, just so the front gives you the illusion that these are individual braids. And from there, I just cornrowed straight back. Notice most of these rows, I just have one braid in the front and then it's just a cornrow going back. But in the places where I plan to have my part, which is mainly in the middle, I have multiple braids before I start to cornrow. In the back of my head, I tried to do kind of a zigzag with the parting so it wasn't too obvious. You can't really tell, but it really doesn't matter because this isn't gonna show that much. In the front for these boxes, I wanna make sure I have a braid for each box. And I'm gonna stick this hook under my braid, put the hair in the hook, close the latch, pull it under the braid, push the crochet hook back through that loop. I'm going to hook the end of the hair into the hook, close the latch again, and I'm pulling that through the loop. Here's how that looks. And I'm going to continue this all across the front. As for the back can sometimes be kind of challenging because you don't want your braids to kind of stick up, which they'll do if you just crochet like you normally do. So what I'm gonna do instead is insert my hook into the cornrow, so like this. And this will help the braid lay downward instead of stick out to the side. And I'm gonna finish the rest off camera, and when I come back, you'll see that I tied my braids up overnight just so they'll lay nice and flat where I want them to. And then I'm gonna take this mousse and apply it to the braids. This is gonna help hold the curls and prevent frizz. And here's our finished look. Okay guys, really quick before I end this off, I do want to show you guys how you can remove these braids. This is a question I've gotten with like pretty much all of my videos, so I figure I'll take some time to show you guys how easy it is to remove them. It's been a few weeks that I've had these. I want to say 3 to 4, I'm not entirely sure. And I have been like running these braids ragged. Like I have not been maintaining them at all. I have not really been detangling them. I really just haven't been doing anything to it but like wearing it in a ponytail and tying it up at night sometimes. But I think that's kind of evident by the frizz, but considering the lack of maintenance, I think it looks really good still. As you can see, there are still curls. Yeah, so I still like the style. I really could probably leave this in for like at least another 2 weeks, but I gotta move on to another video, so that's why I'm taking it out today. Now the roots are looking a little grown out, but you know, that's gonna happen. All you're gonna do here is find the loop and you're gonna start pushing the braid back through the loop and just pull it out. And it's that simple. Super easy. Now, can you reuse these braids? I think so. Let me pull this one out. I think when you take it out, like they look pretty much the same. It might be slightly frizzier. You can definitely just wash, maybe shampoo, maybe just like soak them in some like water and a little vinegar just to clean them, and then hang them to dry. And I think they would probably be like new. So yeah, I think you could definitely reuse these. And these curls are human hair, so I think that'll help a lot. And again, here's how the braids are looking after taking them out. That's not bad, y'all. I could definitely use these again. I think I'll be saving these for a future style. All right, I'm gonna finish taking these out off camera, and now back to your regular scheduled program or something like that. And that's all I have for you guys today. If you found this helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss my next video. Until then, peace. Testing. Is that here?